To leave the safe mode on Realme GT7 Pro, first we can try to power it off normally by holding our power button. Then switch that, move that wheel to the bottom to power it off, or if it doesn't work, you need to click on the power button and volume up button together at the same time. That way you should see this power menu and then you can switch it off. If it still doesn't work, click and hold power button and volume up button together at the same time until your device switches off. Now click and hold power button, just a power button, until your device reboots. And as you can see, the safe mode is gone.